What's up guys, it's Osirus. Welcome to a brand new video. Today we are going to be looking at how to use a transient processor for noise reduction in your audio recording. So we have two transient processors or transient shapers here. We have transient processor by ImageLine and transient by Sleepy Time Records. A transient processor is a dynamic processing plugin that works by sensing attack and decay transients in your audio recording and applying dynamic processing to those transients. So let's take a look at this vocal recording. It comes with noise in it, and we'll be using this as an example. We'll be reducing the noise in this vocal recording.
What I know is that I'm serious, so I
You
don't
can
like
hear the
these
noise.
games you think you are playing.
So how a transient processor works is it detects attack transients like the one here and decay transients like the one here. And if you turn up the attack knob, it attacks the audio faster and adds more snap to the audio. So let's listen to how that sounds.
What I know is that I'm serious, so I don't like these games you think you.
So I don't like this game. See how that attacks faster than.
I don't like these. I don't like these games. I don't like these games.
Turn the release all the way up increases the time for the vocal to decay, and this adds more perceived volume to the audio recording. Let's see how this works.
What I know is that I'm serious, so I don't like these games you think.
So to remove the noise from this audio recording, we are going to be messing with the release knob because noise comes from decay. It's the remnant from the decay of a recording. So turning this all the way down means the vocal will decay fast. This will give no room for noise at the tail of the vocal. So let's see how this works.
Know is that I'm serious, so I don't like these games you think you are playing. I don't know is that I'm serious, so I don't.
So you can see how that eliminates the noise completely. So we can emulate the same thing on this plugin by just pulling down the sustain knob.
Know is that I'm serious, so I don't like these games you think you are playing.
With this plugin, we can visualize how this is working. So we see that anytime there is a decay on the audio recording, the sustain brings the gain down. So let's see how that.
Know is that I'm
So if you're watching the
serious,
green light here,
so I don't like these games you think you are
anytime the sound comes
playing.
to a tail,
I don't tell my friends and all
does
my
gain
guys
reduction.
around. I don't.
This is how to do noise reduction with a transient shaper. So let's listen to how this sounds in the mix.
What I know is that I'm serious, so I don't like these games you think you are playing. I don't tell my friends and all my guys around. I don't tell my mama, I tell her say you bam. I don't tell everybody.
So that's how to use a transient shaper to clean up your vocal recording. And yeah, so that'll be all for today, guys. More information about this will be in the description below. And if you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video and contributing to the channel. And yeah, guys, hope you're all doing well. Until next time, guys. Peace.
Well, I can't disappoint me. Well, I can't disappoint me. She can't cause it.